Today I am making the most magnificent chocolate cake in the world. It's the world's healthiest chocolate cake from my new book, Earth to Table. I just want to show you how easy it is. And it's delicious, it's heart healthy, it's gluten-free, and it's really, really yummy. Okay, let's start off with almond meal. There's 300 grams of almond meal. We've got 2 beautiful teaspoons of baking powder, a generous pinch of salt. Now, this is the special stuff, naked chocolate or a really good dark cocoa powder. So I'm going to put a half a cup of naked chocolate, which makes this the most glorious tasting cake. Now, what you need to do, what's really important, is to mix all the dried ingredients first together so it all combines. Okay, now we add the wet ingredients. So don't need any mixers, don't need anything, just a bowl and a spoon. So I've got 4 organic eggs. I've got half a cup of maple syrup. I've also got half a cup of beautiful cold pressed avocado oil. I've also got half a cup of almond milk. And all we do now is mix it. So what we need to do is pour this into a lined 20 centimetre baking tin. And this goes into an oven 160 degrees, fan forced, for around about 30 minutes. So now I'm going to make the frosting. The frosting is my delicious avocado frosting, and it's beautiful. It's made from avocados, coconut cream, some maple, and some lovely Healthy Chef naked dark chocolate. You know what? I call it naked. I named it naked because it's sugar-free, it's dairy-free, it's gluten-free, and it's so delicious. Now we need 2 avocados, 2 nice ripe avocados into a blender. I'm also going to add half a cup of pure maple syrup, a little bit of vanilla extract, and about a cup of coconut cream. Now you can also use coconut yogurt. Coconut yogurt also works if you want to add some good probiotics. Now what I want to do first, before I add the cocoa powder in, I just want to blend this. If you want to add some matcha in here, you can make a beautiful matcha mousse too. Look at that beautiful green colour. Okay, now we're adding half a generous cup of naked chocolate dark. So that's about 4 generous spoonfuls. Yum. And a pinch of salt. So let's blend that again. Okay, look at this. It's beautiful, it's silky smooth, it's velvety, it's chocolate, it's totally delicious. So let's pour it out. And we're going to let this set for around about an hour or so, and it sets in the fridge just so it's easier to spread onto the cake. So what I want to do is put this in the fridge for around about an hour to set, and then it'll be ready. Look at this. Okay, so this has been in the fridge for around about an hour, and it's just set ever so slightly, so it's beautiful. It's a healthy version of a ganache, and it's really, really yummy, and it's so delicious when spread over the world's healthiest chocolate cake. So what I want to do is I've actually baked 2 cakes, 2 separate cakes, and I'm going to layer this cake. The world's healthiest chocolate cake, guys. Beautiful, from my new book, Earth to Table, and it's very, very yummy. It's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, and it's purely delicious. So I'm going to cut myself a slice.